How to sign in quickly on Webex. Hey everybody, if you are wondering how you may follow up this step. So open up a browser or you may also download the application Webex, and for a website you may head over to webex.com. After you reach over there, you should be finding this kind of interface. So in order to sign in, you may tap on the two horizontal lines at the top of your screen, this one right here, tap on it. And here you will be finding very first option called sign up. It's free. Go ahead and tap on that option. And once tapped on it, it will take you to another page. Just wait for the page to load up. After the page is loaded up, in order to sign up, you can create an account with Google, your Microsoft account, Facebook ID, or even your Apple ID. Or you can go with the manual process of entering up your email address and that. So let's go on with email address. In the section, you will go ahead and type in your email address and tap on next in the bottom below, right below the email address, and wait for another page to load up. And once you do that, you should be receiving a verification code on your email address. You need to enter up the code right here and tap and submit from your screen. After that, you need to go on with this process. So now you need to enter up your first name in this section and your last name, and then a password which must contain at least one number, one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, a special character, and at least 8 characters. So go ahead and do that, and after that confirm sign up. Once you do, your account should be created. You need to wait for a few seconds, and then that's it. So that is how you basically, create account, sign up for webex.com or Webex application. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.